Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 transformed the vlogging experience by packing advanced filming capabilities into a device small enough to fit in your pocket. With its combination of performance and portability, it quickly became a favorite among content creators, whether professionals or hobbyists. But the innovation doesn't stop there. DJI is preparing to release the Osmo Pocket 4 in 2025, and expectations are higher than ever. This next-generation camera aims to raise the bar once again, bringing groundbreaking features that could make it the ultimate tool for vloggers, filmmakers, and tech enthusiasts. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything we might expect from the upcoming Osmo Pocket 4 and explore the potential features that could make it a game-changer in portable videography. Compactness meets cutting-edge design. One of the defining strengths of the Osmo Pocket series is its compact, pocket-sized design combined with powerful performance. This perfect balance allows creators to capture high-quality content anywhere without the bulk of traditional camera setups. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to maintain this winning formula, retaining its sleek and ultra-portable form factor while incorporating significant upgrades that enhance functionality without sacrificing ease of use. A larger sensor is likely to improve image quality even further, producing richer details and more vibrant colors. DJI's engineers have historically prioritized compact innovation, meaning we can expect an optimized design that feels even more refined, robust, and user-friendly. Whether you're vlogging, capturing cinematic sequences, or shooting action-packed moments, the Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the go-to device for all types of content creators. Camera upgrades, 5.4K resolution and cinematic excellence. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is the leap from 4K to 5.4K resolution. While some may argue that the difference seems minor, filmmakers and high-end content creators will appreciate the added clarity and detail. This enhancement will be particularly noticeable in post-production, where higher resolution allows for more flexibility in cropping, stabilizing, and color grading without sacrificing quality. Accompanying this resolution boost is a 20mm f/2.0 lens, expected to deliver stunning image quality with vibrant colors, outstanding dynamic range, and improved low-light performance. Whether you're filming indoors, capturing golden hour shots, or recording night scenes, this upgrade promises enhanced clarity and richer tonal depth. For those who love cinematic visuals, the Osmo Pocket 4 could be a game-changer. Sharper images, smoother transitions, and improved detail retention will allow for professional-grade footage on a device that fits in the palm of your hand. The possibility of a new and more powerful processor means even better optimization across the board, reducing noise in video and enhancing sharpness in still images. This upgrade pushes the boundaries of what a compact camera can achieve. Revolutionary rotating OLED touchscreen. One of the most talked about enhancements is the rumored 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen. With a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels and a brightness level of up to 800 nits, this display is designed for effortless framing and adjustments, even under direct sunlight. Whether you're shooting on the go or setting up the perfect shot, this upgrade ensures usability and convenience. However, previous models faced some issues with flip screens, including getting stuck or failing to rotate fully. DJI has addressed these concerns through firmware updates, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to refine this feature, making screen rotation seamless and responsive. This could be a massive improvement for vloggers and solo creators who rely on easy framing without external monitors. Advanced stabilization. 3-axis gimbal and Active Track 7.0. Stabilization has always been a standout feature of the Osmo Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 is rumored to take it even further. A new and improved 3-axis mechanical gimbal is expected to deliver ultra-smooth footage, whether you're walking, running, biking, or capturing high-intensity action sequences. This ensures that every frame remains stable and professional-looking, eliminating the need for additional stabilization gear. Adding to this, DJI is expected to introduce Active Track 7.0, incorporating advanced phase detection and eye tracking capabilities. This means the camera could intelligently lock onto subjects and track them even in unpredictable environments. Whether you're following fast-moving subjects or capturing yourself in dynamic shots, this enhanced tracking system will provide greater precision and reliability. Extended battery life for uninterrupted creativity. Battery life is crucial for content creators, especially those filming on location. The Osmo Pocket 3 offered an impressive 166 minutes of shooting time, but the Pocket 4 is rumored to extend this significantly to around 200 minutes. This extra longevity will be invaluable for travel vloggers, event coverage, and long-form content creation, reducing the need for frequent recharges and allowing for more seamless storytelling. Moreover, fast charging capabilities may be improved, potentially enabling quick top-ups that let creators get back to shooting in no time. If these rumors hold, the Osmo Pocket 4 could become one of the most reliable compact cameras in terms of battery performance. Improved audio capabilities for crystal-clear sound. Audio quality is just as important as video quality in vlogging and filmmaking. While previous models provided decent onboard microphones, many users relied on external mics for professional-grade audio. The Osmo Pocket 4 could feature enhanced built-in microphones with superior noise reduction and directional audio capture, ensuring clear and crisp sound even in noisy environments. Additionally, we might see better integration with DJI's wireless microphone system, allowing for seamless pairing with external mics for those who demand studio-quality audio. These improvements would make the Pocket 4 even more appealing to creators who prioritize high-quality sound in their content. Smart features and connectivity enhancements. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to introduce smarter features that elevate the user experience. AI-driven scene recognition, automated shooting modes, and improved real-time editing options could make content creation more intuitive. DJI's history of pushing the boundaries of AI-assisted filmmaking means we could see features like enhanced object recognition, intelligent motion tracking, and dynamic lighting adjustments. Connectivity upgrades are also anticipated, with improved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities for seamless file transfers and remote control options. Faster data transfer speeds will enable quick sharing of content, while enhanced smartphone app integration could allow for real-time monitoring, editing, and live streaming directly from the device. Final thoughts. The ultimate vlogging camera? With its refined design, smarter features, and groundbreaking performance upgrades, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has the potential to redefine portable cameras. Whether you're an aspiring vlogger, a seasoned filmmaker, or a tech enthusiast looking for the best compact camera, this device is shaping up to be a must-have tool for creative minds.